In this video, we're exploring EventPro's Beverage Management module for organizing alcoholic beverage options at your business. Beginning in EventPro Setup, you can create your standard beverage configurations. Much like EventPro's catering management, the flexible system allows you to choose the level of detail you want to use for beverage configurations, whether that's a multi-level arrangement of subcategories and items or a simple one-line description. Pricing can be managed per individual item, per person per hour, or by flat charge, and charges can be directed to a host bar or cash bar. It all depends on your organization's needs. If this configuration is provided by a third-party supplier, you can select the supplier from your CRM accounts. Having your beverages set up in one centralized source simplifies event setup and makes it easy to change prices and availability. Now, let's look at adding beverages to an event. In the Event Resource Beverage window, we can select one of our existing configurations created in EventPro Setup and customize it as needed for this event. Of course, with EventPro, you always have the flexibility to create a completely new beverage configuration on the fly, but it's typically faster to adapt an existing configuration. Let's take a look at a few examples. First, we'll select a configuration with the charge type, host bar per drink, which means the charge is calculated from the individual items. As we select drinks and enter the number required, the overall configuration charge is calculated using the detail or per item price. In this next example, we'll select a configuration that demonstrates the host bar per person charge type, which is calculated per person per hour. In this case, we've set the quantity to automatically use the attendance of the event's booked location. The total charge is calculated by multiplying the main charge amount by the number of people and number of hours. You still have the option to calculate the cost per item if you track the number of items used. In this last example, we will select a custom blank configuration that we can adapt to any scenario. We can keep things simple by just adding a description, or create a more sophisticated configuration by selecting items from Setup. When adding items, we can add a whole category of items at once, or select items individually. Even though the event is booked for a certain period of time, you can indicate when the beverage configuration will be required within the event. Now that we've added beverages to the event, we can print and email a report, like a BO or event beverages sheet. That was just a very brief overview of EventPro's Beverage Management module. Please reach out to our solutions team to get pricing and a more detailed demonstration of EventPro software's many features.